Richards, once one of Zimbabwe's leading wholesalers and retailers, has shut down its Mutare branch, located opposite Sakuva Stadium, near the old Mabero Market, marking another blow to the country. See formal retail sector. Sasa pana mashoko onekwa kunzi aiwa Richards yovhara branch kwaMutare. Chiri kuchavhutisa vanhu chinatsoratidza kuti nyika yeZimbabwe zvinhu zvinatsoratidza kuti economy iri kustruggle. And subscribe or like out on the bell kuti imwe na mubda nyika. The closure follows the similar shutdowns of its Heathcliff and Tinywood outlets in Harare earlier this year. Its operational challenges escalate amid deepening economic instability. This trend is symptomatic of broader turmoil in Zimbabwe's formal retail sector, where even major players like OK Zimbabwe and SPAR are scaling back operations. SPAR recently closed in Queensdale store, while Food Lovers Market announced the impending closure of its Avondale and Borodale branches in June 2025. Botswana-owned Choppies exited the Zimbabwean market entirely in 2023, and Mohamed Musa has reduced its shop space to 60%. The Confederation of Zimbabwe Retailers (CZR) has sounded alarm bells, attributing the crisis to policy inconsistencies, particularly the government's handling of the dual currency system. Though Zimbabwe officially operates a multi-currency regime, authorities require businesses to accept the Zimbabwe gold ZiG, currently alongside the US dollar at a fixed exchange rate. Retailers face the added burden of sourcing suppliers predominantly in US dollars while selling in a weaker ZiG, compounded by high operational costs, power shortages, shrinking consumer spending, and harsh regulatory obligations. Former businesses are fast becoming unsustainable. Mashuka ari kuda panguva ino vari kudescribe maconditions ari kunyatsoonekwa kunzi they are making it difficult for maretailers nemabusinesses aiwa pamwe chete mawholesalers kuti vaoperate nekuda kwethis shrinking currency. Zviri kuonekwa kunzi one of the most successful and retail shops vari kuvhara vana Richards vari kuonekwa kunzi vavhara its Mutare branch. Zvinyatsoonekwa kunzi it is a result of this failed currency. Pena comment section medu mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.